Ever wondered why singleton is always explained with a database connection example? Today we'll explore why that is, when it makes sense to use database connection. Let's clear the confusion and build smarter apps. Why is singleton often used for database connections? Reasons are many. They are like resource management. Database connections are expensive to create and manage. Singleton ensures only one instance is created and reused. Global access point. Singleton provides a single access point to the database connection across the application. Another reason is thread safety. In multi-threaded environment, managing a single connection instance avoids race condition. And the last one is consistency. Ensures consistent configuration and behavior across the app. Is singleton the correct pattern for database connections in real applications? Not always. Here's why. Connection pooling is better. In real-world apps, frameworks like Spring Boot use connection pools to manage multiple connections efficiently. Scalability. Singleton limits you to one instance, which can be a bottleneck in high-load applications. Also, Spring Boot already manages beans as singletons. You don't need to manually implement singleton for services or repositories. When should you use singleton for database access? This is generally in simple apps, database tools, or learning projects where you don't use Spring or other DI frameworks. You only need one connection throughout the app. That's it for this video. Comment if you want to learn how to implement singleton design pattern while creating connection in database applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.